welcome to my channel. In this class, we are going to learn zeros of a polynomial. What it means? The values of the variables that when we substitute in the polynomial, then entire polynomial will become a zero. So that concept we are going to learn through the example. Here, for example, x plus 9. This is a linear polynomial because the variable x having a highest power or degree is 1. So that polynomial will call it as a linear polynomial. So in the place of x, what is the value if you substitute? Then this polynomial will become a 0. That is the meaning of zeros of a polynomial. Here x plus 9 will equal to 0. Then x is equals to this plus 9. Move this side, it will become a minus 9. Minus 9 is the value of the variable x. This value, if you substitute in this polynomial, what will become? So x means here minus 9 plus 9 as it is, then this polynomial will become plus 9 and minus 7 will become a 0. Now, we'll consider a second example. 3x minus 7. This is also linear polynomial. Then, on what value this will become a 0, we'll check out. 3x minus 7 is equals to 0. 3x which is equals to minus 7, move this side, it will become a plus 7. X is equals to 7 by 3. The value of x is 7 by 3. This value, if you substitute it in the this polynomial, it will become a 0. We'll try now. 3 times of, what is the value of x? 7 by 3 minus 7 as it is. Then 3 get cancelled. So here 7 minus 7. If the number is not having any sign, it means it is having a plus sign. Plus 7 minus 7 will become a 0. So this is the meaning of zeros of polynomial. So x value, and we will call it as a solution of a polynomial or roots of the polynomial. We can also use the word. So this is the meaning of zeros of polynomial. If you like the video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.